Look at this energy. AFRIKAFEST Deggendorf welcomes you with open arms. Here in the heart of Germany from the 14th to the 17th of August 2025. Do you hear? It's Africa dancing, living, shining.
Here, every gesture is a legacy. Culture is passed on, shared with love.
Be ready for the parade of colors, shapes, and African pride bonzini.
Taste, feel, live. Africa puts it on your lips. The words dance too. The voice of our youth resonates loud and beautiful. Join us to celebrate our roots, our rhythms, and our richness. AFRIKAFEST awaits you.